Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about real-time data streaming in Power BI using PubNub. But before starting with the discussion, if you do not know how to create a free Power BI account without having a school or a work account, then you can refer to one of my videos and I'll be sharing the link to that video in the description box below. Once you have created your free Power BI account and you have signed into that account, only after that you can follow this video fine. So that's why I said that. And now I'll click here on this particular on new tab and I'll click here on Power BI. So since I've already signed in, so it didn't ask for credentials. But if you want to sign in, then you can simply type powerbi.com in your browser and then you can sign into your Power BI account, right? Now let's click on workspaces, my workspace, new, and streaming dataset. Now click on PubNub and next. Now here you will have to give a name to the dataset. So I will name this dataset as PubNub dataset. And now you will have to provide a sub key and channel name. So in order to get this sub key and channel name, I'll just simply click here. And as you can see this page, I will provide the link to this page in the description box below. So from this particular page, you can select any particular data set. Let's say I want to select market orders simulated. And from here, I will take the subscription key and channel name. I'll copy it from here and I'll paste it there in Power BI. So this is the subscription key. I'll provide it here. And from here, I will take the channel name and I'll paste it here in Power BI. Now just click on next and create. So these are basically various fields that you can see, right? And I'll simply click on create. So this is the data set that we have, and we will be using this data set to create the dashboard. Now you need to click on this new plus icon, dashboard, and you have to give a name to it. So let's name it as live streaming. Let's click on create. Now since I am interested in adding different tiles to this dashboard, so click on edit, add a tile, and then click on real-time data. Next. Now you need to select the data set. So this is the data set that we have created for real-time data streaming. Next. And now you can select any visualization. Let's say I want to select a card visual. So I've selected a card visual and you need to add some value to this card. So let's say on this card, I want to represent the order quantity. So I'll click on order quantity. Next. And if you want to change the title, if you want to give it some subtitle, you can do that as well. I don't want to change it, so I'll keep it as it is and apply. So here you can see that a tile is created on the dashboard and it represents various order quantities, right? And it's changing with time. Let's say I'm interested in adding some other tile or some other visualization as well, wherein I want to represent some other quantity. So I'll click on edit, add a tile. Again, I'll select this real-time data option. Next, PubNub dataset. Next, let's say this time I want a line chart. And on the axis, along the axis, let's say I want timestamp. And along the values, I want, let's say, the bid price to be represented. Click on next. I don't want to change the title, so let it be as it is. And I don't want to change the subtitle as well, so I'm not changing it. Click on apply. If you want to change it, you can change it as well. Now let's increase the size of this line chart. So simply click here on the style and then you can resize it in this manner. Fine. And you can place it anywhere, wherever you need on the dashboard, right? That's the thing. Let's say I want to add one more tile or one more visualization to this particular dashboard. So I'll click here on edit, add a tile, real-time data streaming. Next. This time I'll select PubNub dataset. Next, Let's say I am interested in adding a clustered column chart this time. And let's take trade type this time along the axis, and in the values section, let's add order quantity. Next, and apply. So here you can see your column chart is created, and you can resize it. Fine. Let's say I want to add some other visual as well. So same way you can follow it. Add a tile, custom data streaming, next, PUBNUB dataset, next. Let's say, let's choose this K chart. You can add some value to it. Let's add bit price, next, and apply. So here you can see this chart is also created. You can resize it as per your need. So this is how you can do real-time data streaming in Power BI using PUBNUB. So I hope this session was helpful. And in fact, if you are appearing in the interviews, especially freshers and beginners, then you can tell the interviewer that you know about this particular thing as well. So I think this session was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.